sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue.
We fight 10 times, I'm gonna win 10 times. We fight 20 times, I'm gonna win 20 times. We fight 100 times, I'm gonna win 100 times.
Pound for pound fighter Chaber Paul Floyd Mayweather Jr. hi American professional boxer ani a tuna chuan a retire to a hunlai chuan a Chaber ani a career a hian major world title som panga lai la a hebaka hian a retire thleng hian undefeated ani boka a career a boxing a khel voice nga a hian a chak veka voice ni pasari knock out in na chakani hausa lo thei ani lawa a poisa te phaulan nuamati fe em
You love money, right? I mean,
it's cool. It's cool.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Mipon Floyd Money Mayweather ti in mingan phuasak hiala.
How did you get the nickname Money? Did you name yourself Money, or was somebody else?
They just started calling me it.
They just started calling it. You always have a lot of money with you.
A little bit.
Yeah.
It's key.
Do you have an ATM card?
I'm the human ATM.
Sport cha hian a engkim a pe a thokrim tak zeta ama pon a thorim wanga tundin munlon thlengani thu soin a taima in ain enkol that em awangin tuna kumsomli pathum ani nu po hian alalang no pangle ani kumsang khat zakwa somsari pasari February ni somni palia Grand Rapids Michigan USA boxer chungkwa alo pianga apa Floyd Mayweather Senior hi professional boxer ani ve thawa kumsang khat zakwa somsari le kumsang khat zakwa somriat lai bor khan welterweight category a omin a defensive skill wangle boxer thatakani wang shim po ida lo lar viawa apatia Jeff Mayweather le Roger Mayweather tepo professional boxer ve thawan ni a Mayweather no pan lai po hian boxing bawrak hian anuna chia ne le a mase ni tum mani lawa apa hi drugs zuar thin ni in heng thilwang hian api bula thina api hian boxing lama a theina po amuma sabera Mayweather hian nazon atum po in boxing a in concentrate turin a fui zo kani api bula awm lawle anu bula oma kumsang khat zakwa somriat bor khan kumriat bor velani in New Jersey a anu bula awa oma anu chung tenen pasari ani a inlian lo tak pakhata an oma achang chuan engpo an nei lawa khovota inti lumna nei lo chang po an nga
to Jersey. There was 7 people staying in a 1-bedroom apartment, no heat. I mean, sometimes no lights. You know, my mother she was on crack.
Tuta Mayweather hi school akala aron ho changin heroin shaute chu anin kota amuchina ngaya anei to zoka anu hi drugs addict ani chubaka anu tei po drugs addict ni in age wangin hiboka Mayweather hian school hi Ottawa High School akala mase alakloa bangin akal zom to lawani anu bula Florida a vom chan hi chu apa in drugs zorvel chungchanga boina neya jelatan wangani a anula drugs addict mai ani a ama ain enkola a in ngai to angai ani hengkara hian boxing a hian atui a skula ban san po boxing a in pumpe ka du wangani a Mayweather hian thil dang zong ka shiat ma sakber chu boxing ani ati a anu nen Florida atang chuan Grand Rapids Michigan a apa bula alet le a anu po aron let ve a Mayweather chuan anu ron let chu alom a mase heti rol hian anu in drugs ati chu alasim theilawa chu baka apa in drugs azwar zel boknen Mayweather hian kapa hian afapa kani na anga katana ati tur om tak chwa dunte park kaldunte minti pui ve ngai lawa boxing khela training min pek hi ani mayati a Mayweather chuan aril ruha na te athin rim na te chu boxing mang chuan a in nem thina apa drugs chuar thin chuan Mayweather kumsom paruk mi ani chuan buaina atok le ta kumthum le achan ve ata nangai ta a Mayweather pon ama in boxing training angaya anu in khana tlak ani silo apa box silo chu kumsom paruk mi lek nau pang chuan puitlin azir angaya kong ain zon chopangaya jima chuan rim takin a training thina hengjin hi chu jima ahun tamber amang chauto ani boxing chu a khel tak chhotan ta a professional a khel ma amateur boxing career a hian a record chu 84-8 ani a professional boxing a khel ma a boxing a lo khel to voisomriat palia voiriat cha chaklawani ama saberatan gumchang kha jakwa somkwa pathum khan National Golden Glove Championship a Golden Glove adonga
he was?
It felt good, but it was very hard. I had to struggle to fight. But at first, I want to thank the good man upstairs for giving me this opportunity to win the national championship. And second of all, I want to thank
Anua kumsang kha jakwa somkwa paliya le kumsang kha jakwa somkwa paruka adong le ani amateur ani la hian pretty boy ti a kawani thina achan chu a maite a hliam tlem em thina apa le apate ate defense thiam takte nan train bang ani a defensive technique ani thale ani kumsang kha jakwa somkwa parukhan olympics a featherweight division a USIO in a chuaka bronze medal a hon nge professional ani ma hian voi somriat palilai boxing match halo khela experience po ani thavia wang kumsang kha jakwa somkwa paruk october ni som pakhata chuan ama saberatan professional boxing match khela roberto apadakanin anin tuma Mayweather hi round ni na achaka heti laya trainer hi apatea Roger Mayweather adia apa hi jela alata ngani kumsang kha jakwa somkwa paruka tanga kumsang kha jakwa somkwa pariat inkara atumpui te haupo technical knockout demo knockout in ane veka apa po jela tangina ron chwaka a manager atang hal boka kumsang kha jakwa somkwa paruka tanga kumsang kha jakwa somkwa pariat inkara atumpui te haupo technical knockout demo knockout deu vekin ane veka apa po jela tangina ron chwaka a manager atang hal boka professional boxing akhel atanga kumhi nulek kumsang kha jakwa somkwa pariata world title masaberala a heta fight pui hi super featherweight a the ring magazine in world number 1 na anda Genaro Hernandez ani a heavyweight class a hian Hernandez atlom masak berna ani nge a ankhel zo hian Hernandez hian min hne ani achaka afinga acherang boka kaza hle boka champion ani atia he minu hian a title defense match voili omlia po achako feka hengzinga hian Angel Man Freddy second round na a knockout khan Mayweather hi kumsam ni pakhatani a the ring magazine fighter of the year dongin he award dong thei no pangber hi ani avoi nga na hian kumsang ni khan Gregorio Vargas anele a heta hian apa manager tubanin Emmanuel Buston arwai tazoka akhel chawzela atheina chu khovelin amu chawzela atumpui nelo ane ngai lawa kumsang ni pahnia WBC lightweight title ala a kumsang ni panga a WBC super lightweight title ala a kumsang ni paruka IBF IBO WBC le IBA welterweight title ala le a kumsang ni pasaria Oscar de la Hoya ne in WBC super welterweight title ala le boka ahlotling chawzela kumsang ni soma American athlete lo tamber pathumna aron ni theyani khovela boxer piang to zinga thaber ni katumani atia kumsang ni pasari top lama Ricky Haltona hnele a anu loka a retire thuwa puangta a anu kumni don kumsang ni pakwa September aron let le a Juan Manuel aron hnele a $1 million somruk lai aron lo le ngalani akhel chawzela kumsang ni som pathum ma arikot hi 44-0 ani a kumsang ni som panga a 8 division champion Manny Pacquiao nen me ni a Grand Garden Arena a anin tuma he fight hi fight of the century ti hialani a heta hian Mayweather hi unanimous decision in achakle a arikot siamsa ne theilo ani na chu lakal tuang zelin kumsang ni sompali le kumsang ni sompanga chuan Forbes chuan khovela athlete lo tambera apuang tabokani kumsang ni som pasaria UFC champion Conor McGregor nen intum turin an sign le ta a sui anasa in an hak lel MMA Conor McGregor hian professional boxing akhel voi khatna turan nge a kumsang ni som pasari August ni som nia chuan ahuna lo thlengta a T-Mobile Arena Las Vegas an intuma he an fight hi the money fight tile biggest fight in combat history ti ani a round som na a technical knockout in Mayweather hi achak le ta a heta hian arikot hi 50-0 ani ta chi ani hei hi boxing akhel nung ber ani ri a retire thu avoi ni nan apuang le ta ani he an fight a hian $1 million zani sumchari panga mo ayatam alwanga chhut ani fit nga le inchi siria ta sang ani a boxing lo lama hian boina to te pu alo nei ve niu newa kumsang ni som pakhat top lama abial nu hlui Josie Harris kuta thla ka wangin domestic violence case in ni som kwa jail alo tanga hengba ka hian kumsang ni pani chhovela po voi enge mozat manalo ni to a heng hi tharum tho wanga ni tlang pui Mayweather te ang favorite movie to film bon tak tak te ani ring mai thaya ma se a favorite movie to The Notebook alo ni ve tlata tunge mani mangai berte ne na kut in vuana thi dun chu du lawanga lo ti ani boxer hlotling tak ani a ho saboka ama pu alwang chuak na sa a mitam taka chanpuya abik takin public school a chanpui na sa a public school a chuan mi hausa an lut vak lo ti asia a Tubaka kumsang hi pasari khan Floyd Mayweather Jr. Foundation laudinin no pangre thei tam tak an chan pui chin Justin Bieber nen hian an inkom ngei hlea mi then khat chuan Mayweather fanu hi JB fan ani wang ni in an soya ma se an pani hian mi in mil tak an ni ve shim shima thil tam tak an di dun china tun thleng hian thian thatak an lani em ti chu hriat lawani underwear voi khat a hak to hi a hanon to ngai lawa kum khata underwear leinan hian dollar sang ruk zanga vela mang thin a bodyguard te hi atlang puin fit sari an ni thina a private jet a po an ri a hlawa wangin a chuan pui ngai lawa jet shana a chuan tir thin Khovela car changkang berber te hi anei deu veka arong in mil tur deu te in arem kwal thin nupuya la nei lawa mi che pani laga fa pali anei to ani atum ange in a hun line na na chuan ama aya boxer ro puyan omlawa kumsang ni som nia po rankers chuan 21st century best boxer lisa pani na an lada a ne lo nei lawin a retire bokani